how to turn off camera on TikTok Live. So if you want to turn off camera on your TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, tap on the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Now go with the live section. But if you don't find the live option or live tab, then make sure that your account meets the requirements, which needs a minimum of 1,000 followers to start your live. You can enter a title for your live stream and select a thumbnail if you want. TikTok doesn't offer a direct way to turn off your camera while going live. However, you can cover the camera with your hand, as I'm doing right now. You can also use a physical method to cover the camera lens with a piece of tape or your hand so your viewers won't see anything. This way, you will still be able to broadcast and go live. Just click on Go Live option on the bottom. You can interact with your audience through the chat and manage stream settings as you need. Since TikTok doesn't provide a built-in option to turn off the camera while going live, covering your camera lens is the best method. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.